Imagine waking up tomorrow looking at the sky and seeing a tiny sun, not the massive fiery ball we know, but a shrunken, weaker version, just half its size or even smaller. What happens next? Would Earth freeze into an icy wasteland? Could life even survive? Or would something weirder happen that scientists don't talk about every day? Today, we're diving into the wildest what-if scenario. What if the sun was smaller? Buckle up. This is going to blow your mind with hidden facts and cosmic twists you've never heard before. Let's start with what we've got. Our sun is a beast, a G-type main sequence star, 1.39 million kilometers wide, weighing 333,000 times more than Earth. It's been burning for 4.6 billion years, fusing hydrogen into helium in a nuclear inferno hotter than 15 million degrees Celsius at its core. It's why we're here. Plants grow, oceans flow, and you're watching this video. But here's a hidden gem. The sun isn't even that big compared to some cosmic monsters out there like Betelgeuse, which could swallow 1,000 suns. Still, size matters, so what if it wasn't this size? What if it shrank? This basketball is our sun today. Now imagine it's this great. Let's see what happens. First up, the sun's diameter drops to 695,000 kilometers, half its current size. Here's the kicker: size isn't just about looks. A smaller sun means less mass, and less mass means less gravity. Right now, the sun's gravity keeps Earth in a cozy 365-day orbit. Shrink it to half and its mass could drop to an eighth, thanks to the cube law of volume. Earth's orbit: chaos. We'd spiral outward, maybe stretching our year to 500 days or more, but wait, it gets weirder. A smaller sun burns cooler. Today it's 5,500 degrees Celsius at the surface, half its size, and it might dip to 4,000 degrees Celsius, glowing more orange than yellow. Picture this: sunsets turn blood red every day. Crops struggle under weaker light. And here's a wild fact: Earth's magnetic field might weaken too because solar wind drives it. More cosmic rays hit us, mutations skyrocket. Dinosaurs with 3 heads? Okay, maybe not, but life gets freaky. Now let's dig into a cosmic secret. If the sun shrank even more, say to 10% of its size, it'd become a red dwarf. These are the universe's most common stars, but they're sneaky. They're tiny, only 50,000 kilometers wide sometimes, and they burn at a measly 3,000 degrees Celsius. Here's the viral twist: red dwarfs live forever, trillions of years, way longer than our sun's 10 billion year lifespan. If our sun went red dwarf tomorrow, Earth would freeze solid. But life might not die. Under the ice, hydrothermal vents could keep microbes alive, like on Jupiter's moon Europa. And get this: some scientists think red dwarf planets could host alien civilizations because their stars last so long. Imagine humanity evolving into subterranean ice dwellers, worshipping a dim red dot in the sky. Creepy, right? Okay, let's crank it up. What if the sun shrank way smaller, like to Earth's size? That's a white dwarf scenario. After our sun dies in 5 billion years, it will shed its outer layers and collapse into a white-hot ember, just 12,000 kilometers wide. But what if that happened now? First, the bad news: it'd stop fusion. No more sunlight as we know it, just leftover heat fading fast. Earth would get a front row seat to hell. A white dwarf's surface hits 100,000 degrees Celsius, hotter than the sun today, but it's tiny, so the energy output plummets. Within decades, Earth's oceans freeze. But here's the hidden kicker. White dwarfs have insane gravity, 300,000 times Earth's. If we got too close, we'd be spaghettified, stretched into cosmic noodles. Now here's a fact that will make your jaw drop. Inside a white dwarf, it's not just hot gas, it's a giant diamond. Seriously. As these stars cool, their carbon cores crystallize into a diamond the size of Earth, denser than anything we can imagine. 1 teaspoon weighs 10 tons. If our sun shrank to that, we'd be orbiting at cosmic jewel until it went dark. Scientists found one called BPM 37093, nicknamed Lucy after the Beatles song. And it's 4,000 kilometers of pure bling. So yeah, a smaller sun could turn into the universe's most expensive graveyard. Tell me that's not viral worthy. Now, let's go darker. What if the sun shrank to a brown dwarf? These failed stars are bigger than Jupiter, but too small to fuse hydrogen. Maybe 50,000 kilometers wide, glowing a dull 1,000 degrees Celsius. If our sun became one, Earth would plunge into eternal twilight. No photosynthesis. Plants die in weeks. Food chains collapse. But here's the spicy twist: brown dwarfs emit infrared heat. With tech, we could survive huddled in geothermal cities, eating mushrooms, staring at a sky that's just brown. Hidden fact alert. Some brown dwarfs have storms bigger than Jupiter's Great Red Spot. Methane hurricanes raging for centuries. Imagine that as our new sun, a cosmic horror show. So could we survive a smaller sun, maybe red dwarf, underground oceans, white dwarf, insane tech to harvest its heat, brown dwarf, infrared domes? But here's the real awe. Stars dictate life, a smaller sun rewrites evolution. Maybe we grow bigger eyes like deep-sea fish or evolve bioluminescence. Fossils show ancient creatures adapted to dimmer light, like the Carboniferous period's giant bugs. A smaller sun could turn us into glowing aliens. Picture humanity 10 million years later, glowing tribes chanting to a tiny sun. That's the story a smaller sun could write. So, what if the sun was smaller? It's not just about size, it's about gravity, heat, and the wild possibilities of life. From red dwarf ice worlds to diamond-cored white dwarfs, the universe is full of secrets we're just scratching. Our sun's perfect for us now, but tweak it and everything changes. Next time you see that big yellow ball, thank it. Because a smaller one? It'd be a whole different game. What do you think? Could we survive a tiny sun? Drop your thoughts below, smash that like button if this blew your mind, and subscribe for more cosmic craziness. See you in the next one. Next time, what if the moon disappeared? Spoiler: tides go nuts and Earth wobbles like a drunk top. Don't miss it. Hit that bell so you're first in line.